Is there a way to salvage runny frosting?
Hey there, baking enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue that many of us have faced while frosting our delicious cakes: runny frosting. There's nothing more frustrating than a frosting that won't hold its shape and slides right off the cake. But fear not. In this video, we'll explore some handy tips and tricks to salvage that runny frosting and get it back on track. Let's get started.
Assessing the situation.
Before we jump into fixing the frosting, it's essential to assess the consistency of the frosting. Is it merely soft and spreadable, or is it completely runny and liquefied? Understanding the degree of the issue will help us determine the most suitable course of action.
Adjusting the consistency.
2.1 Adding more powdered sugar. One of the simplest ways to thicken your runny frosting is by gradually adding more powdered sugar. Start by adding small amounts at a time and mix thoroughly until you achieve the desired thickness. Keep in mind that this method may also increase the sweetness, so consider balancing it with other flavors. 2.2 Incorporating cream cheese or butter. If your frosting is excessively runny, adding a bit of cream cheese or butter can help firm it up. Cream cheese provides stability and adds a tangy flavor, while butter contributes richness. Begin by adding small increments and blend until the frosting reaches the desired consistency. 2.3 Utilizing cornstarch or flour. Cornstarch or flour can act as thickeners in a pinch. Start by dissolving a small amount of cornstarch or flour in a little water, creating a slurry. Then, gradually incorporate the slurry into the frosting while mixing continuously. This method will help thicken the frosting, but be cautious not to overdo it, as it may affect the taste.
Cooling and chilling.
3.1 Cooling the frosting. If your frosting is too runny due to high temperatures or warm ingredients, allow it to cool. Transfer the frosting to a cool bowl and place it in the refrigerator for a short period. Remember to cover it to prevent a skin from forming on the surface. 3.2 Chilling the cake. In cases where the frosting is sliding off the cake due to warm layers, consider chilling the cake before continuing. Place the cake in the refrigerator for a short while to firm up the layers, making it easier for the frosting to adhere.
Reassessing and adjusting.
Once you've implemented the necessary adjustments, it's crucial to reassess the frosting's consistency. Take a small amount on a spatula and test it on the cake or your hand. If it's still too runny, consider repeating some of the previous steps until you achieve the desired thickness. There you have it, folks. With a little patience and some adjustments, you can salvage that runny frosting and turn it into a beautiful, delicious masterpiece. Remember to assess the situation, adjust the consistency, and consider cooling and chilling techniques when necessary. We hope you found these tips helpful and that they save your frosting from disaster. Happy baking, and see you in the next video.